€3 divided by €2 is equal to a set amount of euro that we don't know yet divided by 4. So 3 divided by 2 is €1.50, and we know that this here, this mysterious one here, must be 4 times €1.50. Okay, so that's how we're going to multiply it by 4. 4 by 0 is 0, 4 by 5 is 20, write down my 0, carry my 2. 4 by 1 is 4, and plus 2 is 6. So it's €6 is our mysterious number when it's divided by 4. Okay, so €6 is the answer for question 1. Question number 2. Man bought 6 litres of orange. If each of 10 children drank 1/4 of a litre, how much was left? So each of the 10 children brought 1/4 of a litre. A quarter of a litre is equal to 250 millilitres. 10 children drank 1/4 of a litre. So altogether the children had 2,550 millilitres. Now she had bought how much though? She had 6,000 millilitres bought, or 6,000 millilitres, but 6 litres bought. So we take away to figure out how much was actually left over. 3,500 millilitres left over. Very important to include your millilitres. Question number 3. Subtract 3/10 from 2.8. We keep it to decimals. 2.8 3/10. Now what does that equal to as a decimal? We know that we're dealing with tens, so it must be 0.3 because 0.3 is in the tenths area. So we just take away 0.3 from that, and it's very important to have your decimal in the right area. 8 from 3 is 5. 2.5. Question number 4. How many edges has a cuboid? How many edges has a cuboid? Let's have a little look at this image here. An image is a line. Here's a cuboid. Okay, so how many lines have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cuboid has 12 edges. Okay. Question number 5. What is the price of 20 bottles of orange at €2.20 each? What is the cost of 20 bottles of orange at €2.20 each? Multiplying by 20. Okay. You can just write down your 0 because we know if we keep on writing down 0 down here, if we multiply, it's just going to give us all zeros. So we just skip on to the second line. Okay. 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by 4 is 4. 2 multiplied by 4 again is 4. So it's going to be €44 exactly. Okay. Number 6. Number 6. Can you see there? Just about. There are 60 minutes in an hour. How many in one day? So 60 minutes in an hour. How many in one day? We have 24 hours in one day, so it's a long multiplication sum. 4 by 0 is 0, 4 6s are 24, write down my 2, and carry my 4 as well, write down my other 0, 2 by 0 is 0, 2 by 6 is 12. Should have done a neater here, should have gone a bit further. Add up. We have 1,440 minutes every day. Question number 7. Which of the following sets are factors of 20? Okay, now let's have a look at the number 20. Which are factors? What are factors? Numbers that are divisible into 20. Okay, so let's see. We know that 1 and 20 both go into 20. We know that 2 and 10 both go into 20. we know that 4 and 5 both go into 20. So here are our factors of 20. 1, 2, 2, 10, 4, and 5. Okay, and it doesn't matter what order it is, but some people like them going in numerical order. Question number 8. What is the next number in this term? 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's see the pattern. 1, there's a gap of 1. Then we have a gap of 2. Then we have a gap of 4. And another pattern within the pattern is that we see it's being doubled each time. 1 by 2 is 2. 2 by 4 is 8. And then the next one, therefore, we're going to have to multiply our 8 here by 2, which means it's going to be 16. 16 is the next number in our pattern. With a gap of 8 between each one. Because 2 by 4 is 8, and we put that on then there. Last question, number 9. What is the perimeter, second last one, what is the perimeter of this shape? Now, to get the perimeter of any shape, then we have to add up all the sides. So here's 5, here's 8, so this side here must be 5 also, and this side down here must be 8. So we have our shape here. Again, if we just draw it not exactly to size, 8, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. Add them all around. 5 and 5 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus another 8 is going to give us 26 centimeters. We add them all around. Another way of doing that is where we could have said 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, and 13 multiplied by 2, because this is the same as these two here, will give us 26 as well. Last one, number 10. How many nails in this picture are perpendicular to the plank of wood? Okay, so here's our image. How many nails are perpendicular? Perpendicular is where one straight line meets another straight line. Exactly like that. Okay, so this one here is perpendicular. Is that nail going straight and hitting that one there? Exactly, it is. Is this one perpendicular? No, because it's coming at an angle. This one here is definitely perpendicular. One straight line meeting another straight line. This one here is off course. It's not perpendicular. This one here, one could argue that it is and it isn't. I think we just say it just is in. This one here looks a bit lopsided, so it's not. And this one here is lopsided as well, so it's not perpendicular to the plank of wood. So how many is that in total? 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you said 2, I'll give you 2 as well. But this one here is maybe a small bit off, but we'll still give it. So 3 of those nails are perpendicular to the plank of wood.